guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Kate.
My name is Ashley, and today we are going to be making churros.
They're an easy pastry.
But before we start, don't forget to smash the subscribe button
And let's get started.
The ingredients you'll be needing to make this delicious churro recipe are 136 grams of unsalted butter, 222 milliliters of water, 239 milliliters of milk, 224 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of white sugar, 3 eggs, half a tablespoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and for the sugar cinnamon coating, you're going to need 202 grams of white sugar, 6 grams of ground cinnamon. In a large pot in medium heat, add in your butter along with the water, milk, and vanilla paste. And we want to bring that into a boil. After it is brought to a boil, bring it down to low heat and add in your flour and sugar. Mix until it comes together, forming a dough. There shouldn't be any dough sticking to the pot. Now we want to transfer this into a bowl, spreading it up the sides of the bowl and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Once cooled down, add in your eggs one by one. We are using our stand mixer, but you can use anything you want to mix in the eggs. It might look like it's not forming, but keep on mixing and it should eventually come together. We transfer the dough into a piping bag with a Wilson star tip. That's more of a traditional piping tip used for churros, but you can use any other piping tip if you want. To make it a lot more easier, when frying the churros, we usually cut strips of parchment paper. And yeah, it might seem like a lot, but when we fry them, they come out beautiful. So it's just a recommendation, but you can also just pipe them straight into the oil. In a large pot, fill it up a little bit more than halfway with oil and wait for it to heat up. In the meanwhile, let's do our sugar coating for our churros, which is super easy to make. Just mix in your cinnamon and your sugar, and there you have it, your cinnamon sugar coating. Once the oil is heated, add in your churros, making sure that you don't add in a bunch of churros. You don't want to make it crowded. Just add in a few. And you're going to take them out when they're lightly golden brown. Immediately right after, place it onto a paper towel and lightly pat them. And while the churro is still hot, you want to immediately coat it in sugar so it sticks to it. And we just want to repeat the process over and over until we're done with our churros. And they come out super delicious. And then you're going to want to eat the whole entire batch. And then by the next day, they're going to be gone. As a side, we usually like to eat churros with milk chocolate or dark chocolate.
This is super delicious and it's really soft. Yeah, the pastry is really soft. And we also dipped it in some chocolate. Yeah, delicious. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, turn on notifications, comment down below, and share. And all of our social medias are gonna be in the description below, as well as the measurements. And we're going to be posting twice a week now.
Twice a week.
So if you want to stay around, you know what to do. And we'll see you next time. Bye!